This is Dan Max, the trading agent. This is a stock trading and recap channel that I wanted to share to the masses. In a probability game, there's no certainty. Here are my insights and predictions.
Hello, everyone. It is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent. Here, back with another Back to Basics series. The Doji candlestick pattern. What does it mean? Shout out to dailyfx.com. I'm going to use some of their content here just to describe it. You can go to their website, dailyfx.com/education/candlestick pattern/doji candle. Just Google it. Here it is. Open and close the same price approximately with wicks on each end. It's just a candle that's usually seen as a reversal. It can have differing open and closes, but either way, they're very powerful. As I said in the last video, they have different names. They're all fun. Doji star, long-legged doji, dragonfly, whatever. Just know it's an indecision candle. And what you want to do is pay attention to them after big moves down or at highs. You'll see them as in intraday, they're potentially trend changing or continuation patterns. What they do, what matters about them ultimately is when you see them, be aware that there is enough power from the bulls and bears to counteract each other where you are now at an indecision point. That's what it's telling you. It's telling you both the bulls and the bears have enough power, volume, strength, whatever you want to call it, to where they can't budge the stock either direction. That tells you something. That means they're at equilibrium. Well, after that, you can use that candle formation to see what's going to happen next. Because if they are at an impasse, the next candle should pull you in one direction or the other. And that's where they're used as topping and bottoming patterns. You see double doji, you see all kind of stuff. You see here like doji there, multiple dojis. I mean, you can see them everywhere. It's doji, doji, and then pull back, and then doji at the bottom before you went higher. Trust me, you're going to see these everywhere. We've been, unfortunately, hammering on Tesla because that one is showing us the most potential for a short-term reversal, potentially topping long-term if it makes a lower high. And what do you see? Double doji, very tight, very small action, big green candles, lots of excitement. Bears are getting their asses kicked. Bulls are powering the stock higher. Then you run into these guys. And their volume isn't great, but it is exhaustion. Think about all the people buying. How many people are left to buy? And how many shorts basically got buried? That's what you have to think about. When you saw it up here, I said on the day, I'm like, I think we can get to the 2 times range, but these signals are telling you something. Well, what happened shortly after? Pullback. Now, it's no man's land. You can scalp and trade intraday, but could the bull trend be over? Possibly. You need to see higher highs to confirm that the bulls are in control. But anyway, just be aware. Dojis, look for them. Know where they're at. See them. Understand them. Here's down at the bottom here, at the very bottom with X. You had a big down day, and then doji. I mean, I'm literally just going to pull these out of nowhere, and you're going to see them over and over on the daily formations. Doji at the top on the SPY. Little hammer doji there. Then we went down. Then a doji there before we reversed. Just, if you don't know what a doji is, ask in the comments for more clarification. It is that important. It is by far the most important candle formation because, as I said, it is a point in the trend where the bulls and the bears do not have enough power to overact each other or overrun each other in one direction. So they come to an impasse. And when a stock is at an impasse supply demand wise, the next direction should follow, and that should be the indicator that something is something is up. If you're in a big uptrend and now you're at equality of demand and supply by the price action, it might be time for it to pull back. Does it have to always be a huge top? No, it could just be a signal like right here that it was just time to pull back a little. Oh, we saw it here. Did it have to be a dump signal or a reversal? Yeah, it ultimately ended up being a continuation pattern. So study your charts, know what a doji is, go back to Investopedia or just Google it. DailyFX has some great examples here. I appreciate them and what they've put on here. If you got any questions, hit me up. Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the trading agent, here with another Back to Basics series on Dojis. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like the content. Also smash the like button, share with your friends, and add a comment. If there's a topic or stock you'd like me to give you insight about, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer your question. Thanks.